Welcome Year 5-6 to my oral presentation. Today I'll be teaching you how to make choc chip cookies. The first step is to beat the butter and the sugar until nice and creamy. Then add the vanilla essence and the egg. And mix until combined. Next, add in the flour and the choc bits. Place spoons with the mixture onto the trays. Then bake them at the oven in 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And when your biscuits are ready, take them out of the oven. Be careful not to burn yourself. After you've taken them out of the oven, allow them to cool slightly. Beware of the cookie monsters. Enjoy with a glass of milk. Thanks for watching.